Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome for the first time, and I hope you enjoy what you see. Today is Saturday. I'm rocking yesterday's messy mom hair and my Jack Skellington shirt, and I'm going to do some organizing in my master bathroom. Mainly the drawers. So if you watched the clean with me video the other day, you watched me clean the master bathroom, but today I'm gonna go through the drawers. I apologize for the horrid lighting. It makes me look translucent. Oh my gosh, okay. But I've got some messy drawers that I want to declutter. So let me show you what we're working with, and then I'll bring you along on that process. Okay, so this is my side of the bathroom, and this is Will's. I'm mainly just going to be going through mine. The bottom drawer is basically like my hair dryer and like a hair clip that I've had for years but no longer need because I have super long hair. This drawer is kind of a mixture of beauty products, some makeup that I don't use, yeah, just randomness. And then this drawer is my makeup that I use, not on a daily basis, but my most used makeup, stuff that I reach for quite frequently. But as you can see, it's a horrible mess. So I need to declutter this, get rid of anything I'm not using, and find a better method of organization. And then under the sink, we've got, oh, there's the cup I've been looking for. I was just telling my husband I couldn't find this cup. That's what we used to use in the kids' bathroom to rinse their hair. Well, I found it. So under here we've got an extra hand soap, like a seasonal hand soap. I'll probably bring that out soon because the ones I have out are fall scented, mostly. And then a bunch of hair care products that I got on clearance for about $1 a bottle at Meijer not too long ago. Like this Aussie, 60 cents for this bottle. Okay, I love this 24-hour, the 3-Minute Miracle hair conditioner. Anyway, so a bunch of hair stuff that I will use. Oh, apparently I have another one. Anyway, so this is pretty organized under here, not a whole lot. I've got some cleaning products over there. So that's not too bad. My husband's drawers, this bottom one has apparently my old hair dryer, which I can probably get rid of. Don't know why I'm keeping it. His shaving stuff, our hair cutting kit, some of my coconut oil is over here when I use it like on my face. And then his top drawer is like his contacts and toothbrush and stuff like that. So he doesn't have a lot of products. Okay, I don't think I will be tackling the closet. This is actually pretty organized. I did an organizational video not too long ago. So I've got like makeup and hair stuff that I don't use frequently in here. I can probably give some of that away. This is all travel size stuff. This is a bunch of like shaving cream from a company I used to work with and for. So I stacked up on some of my favorite beauty supplies before I quit selling that. And then we've got our extra toilet paper. This is a medicine drawer. Some miscellaneous stuff in there as well. This is like overflow razors and hand sanitizers, Kleenex, boogie wipes, cotton balls. And then the bottom one is more overflow, like healthcare. So we've got toothbrushes, toothpaste, flossers, deodorant, my nighttime skincare towelettes. So that's all kind of like overflow. But I keep it in this closet so it's out of the way. So let me basically focus on these drawers. I'm gonna go ahead and get started emptying those and see what we've got going here. so this drawer is still not really organized. I need dividers or something. I do have some plastic totes that would probably fit in here to help me contain stuff. These drawers are so deep though that it's nice, but things fall over easily. So this is what I decided to get rid of or donate. I've got some lipsticks in here. I'll probably give these to my sisters. It's the sugar, or the fresh sugar lip products. And then a sample of, I think, a Kat Von D, if I'm not mistaken. Maybe not. Anyway, lipstick that I don't really use. And then this is a Dead Sea mud mask that, again, don't really use. Split Remedy. This didn't really work on my hair, so why keep it? Boost It Air Blow Texture Mist by L'Oreal. I might actually keep that because I've been blow drying my hair more recently. Thieves Toothpaste, which is kind of almost gone. This is Body Boost. It's a skin firming cream, which is basically empty. I'll give it to my sisters, see if they want to use the rest of it. And then this is a butter cream for dry curly hair. I do not have curly hair per se, but it's kind of wavy. And when I purchased this, I was looking for something to kind of tame the frizzing. I don't know. This isn't what I was looking for, basically. So I'll see if my sisters want that. They do actually have curly hair. So that is stuff I'm getting rid of. This I'll probably keep and see if I end up using it. If I don't end up using it the next few times I blow dry my hair, I'll probably get rid of it. And then what I kept in here is my daily face care stuff, a lotion that I really like. Back there is my contacts and like eye solution, lint roller, my favorite perfume. This is Bond number 9, Central Park South. My husband bought this for me. It's a really expensive perfume. I don't wear it all the time, but obviously keeping it. Some lotion, some aftershave protection mist, 2 body sprays, Frizzies leave-in conditioner, hairspray, Aussie hairspray, and then 2, this bottle is like literally almost gone. This is the Beach Babes texturizing sea salt spray, so I have a backup right here. And then that's kind of what I'm looking at there. So that drawer of stuff I'm keeping, not sure how I'm organizing it quite yet. Okay, so this drawer was stuff that I do use more frequently, like I said. My makeup I just went through not too long ago, so this is all makeup that I do use consistently, or that I like to have right out. This is my little mirror that I use for like plucking my eyebrows. I'm gonna keep, I don't paint my nails often, but I do have these 2 colors that Alice and I both like. So that's staying. I've got some ibuprofen, my contacts, a detox face mask. In the back here, I've got bobby pins and hair ties, my glasses case that I don't use very often because I almost always wear my glasses, my toothbrush holder for traveling, some little replacement heads for like a cheap face scrubber that I have that I use in the shower. And then up here, again, not sure how to organize everything. My makeup is nice and organized. I've got some coconut body butter, which I actually do like, so maybe I'll leave that out to use so I don't forget. It's almost gone, so I'll keep that out. These I'm going to put in my travel containers because it's the travel size. What is that? Dry shampoo and contact solution. C-bands we bought when we went on our cruise and we weren't sure if we were going to have motion sickness. So I'll just throw those. I don't think they've expired yet. No expiration. So I'll throw those in the travel bin. It's in the closet. And then everything here is used for like facial care. So like sometimes I'll use this if I'm washing my face over the sink to hold my hair back. My cotton rounds for my toner. I've got 2 different kinds of like acne treatment. Some Pond's anti-wrinkle cream that I got in a Walmart monthly or their quarterly Walmart box. My bedtime soothing towelettes, which I do use. Some Biore strips. This I'm going to replace the head on my face thing in the shower. And then a few hair ties. So a travel container of coconut oil, so that'll go in the travel bin. And then these are just samples that I got out of miscellaneous boxes. I think they were out of a Walmart box or maybe Ipsy. This is a facial serum, like an all-day nourishing serum. I'll leave it on the counter to remind me to use it. I don't want to really throw it away. And then this one is a glycolactic renewal mask. I think I've used this once. I'll leave it out again and try to make a point of using this up. So those 3 items over there I'm going to try and use. But let me go ahead and pack this stuff away. The things I decided to get rid of or give to my sisters most likely. This is the I'm Shrinking Pore Reducing Spot Treatment Mask from Perfectly Posh. I don't use it very often. I kind of forget about it. So if they can get use out of it, sorry about the, there we go. If they can get use out of it, I'm going to give it to them. And then a container of Body Silk body butter. I'll give it to them as well, because again, I haven't been using it. So let me get stuff packed back away and see where we stand. So here is the end product. It still looks a little cluttered, but it is actually organized. I've got my makeup, I've got my facial care stuff, a few of like my acne treatment and lotions there. Stuff I don't use is in the back. Again, I haven't done anything else with this drawer. It's just kind of as is. But as you can see, things shift around when I close the drawer. So I might get some plastic dividers in here, but at least it's decluttered. And I know that what's in here is stuff that I use at least on a semi-regular basis. And then I've got a bag of stuff that I'm going to give to my sisters, and that is it. Alright, so that didn't take too long. I've been putting that chore off for quite a while now because I felt like it was going to be overwhelming with all the little knickknacks and stuff in my drawers, but it didn't take too long. So if you have ideas on how to kind of organize the drawers, or if you have certain dividers and stuff that you use for the deep bathroom drawers like that, I would love to hear them. Leave a comment down below. I'm not sure what I want to use there to keep things divided. So I might try to put some plastic like little tubs in there, but I don't, one, it's not going to look as pretty as I would like it to. And 2, I don't know if that's really going to do much because the plastic tubs are only about 4 or 5 inches deep. It's the ones that I use for my travel stuff actually. So it's these. And I don't think that's really going to contain things. They have a curved corner. And so I don't think that's what I want, but that's all I have on hand. I've got a big stack of those and I use them randomly to house kids' toys and just random stuff. But if you have a suggestion or an idea that you think would work to help divide those and keep things from falling all over every time I shut the drawer, love to hear it. If not, thanks for watching anyway. But that's all I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Sideways, no, thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to the family yet, please hit that red subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, I will see you later. Bye.